Maria for the foundation today instead of Huahine, and just wear it by itself again. And here it is, just to see. And I didn't color correct. I definitely look like an Oompa Loompa with this one. Y'all, when I tell y'all, I'm about to hit pan. I should have went ahead and got another one of these Charlotte Tilbury foundations because, and I said, I wonder if I'm going to hit pan on this before the next Sephora sale. And girl, y'all see that? I just hit pan. This stuff is so good though. Yeah, they just could have put more product in the pan though. That would have been nice. See how I did that? See, that's why I don't like rushing. Because when I'm rushing, I make little mistakes. Little stupid mistakes. I'm going to fix this. I really, really like this color. I used it as a topper today, as you guys can see, but I want to see how it is by itself. So this is my look for today. And they have, isn't that this how people do when they have wigs on, try to pull all their hair to the front? Anyway, this is it. This is my look for the day.